Starlink is one of the most ambitious projects ever taken on by SpaceX. Elon Musk's goal is to deliver high-speed, low-latency internet to almost every corner of the globe. It has already been launched into space and is now in use in several countries around the world. But what exactly is Starlink and how does it work? Let's take a look at the origins of Starlink. Internet from space. SpaceX is renowned for developing advanced technologies that make space travel more affordable and accessible. With innovations like reusable rockets and the Starship, they have revolutionized the aerospace industry. But their ambitions don't stop there. SpaceX is venturing into a new frontier: satellite internet service provision. Their aim is nothing short of global domination in this sector. And it all started with Starlink. The idea of providing internet access through satellites isn't new. Several companies have attempted this before, but none have achieved the kind of success that SpaceX has already started to enjoy. So what makes Starlink different? The answer lies in the sheer scale of SpaceX's plan. They intend to launch thousands of satellites into the sky, creating a network that will provide uninterrupted internet access anywhere on Earth. This ambitious project holds the potential to connect remote areas of the world that have never had access to the internet and bridge the digital divide. However, bringing this vision to reality has not been easy. There are significant technological challenges to overcome and regulatory hurdles to navigate. Yet SpaceX has risen to the challenge, demonstrating an innovative spirit and tenacity that has become synonymous with Elon Musk and his companies. The company's track record of innovation and execution makes it a formidable force in the satellite internet industry. As Starlink continues to grow and evolve, it will undoubtedly face stiff competition from established players. But SpaceX is up to the task. Their innovative approach and relentless pursuit of excellence make them a company to watch in the years to come. It's no secret that Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur who isn't satisfied with the status quo. He's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, whether it's with Tesla. So it shouldn't be surprising that he's also exploring ways to improve internet access around the world. But what exactly is the problem that Starlink is trying to solve? The thing is that even today, nearly half the world's population doesn't have access to the internet. And that's a huge problem. The internet has become an essential tool for communication, commerce, and education. Without access to the internet, people are being left behind, and that's not good for anyone. Furthermore, even those who do have access to the internet often have to deal with slow speeds and unreliable connections. This can make it difficult to do things like stream video, download files, and even send emails. In today's fast-paced world, slow internet speeds can be a major inconvenience. SpaceX is aiming to solve both of these problems with Starlink by providing fast, reliable internet access to everyone on the planet, regardless of where they live. Starlink is more than just a business for space. It's a mission to connect the world and bring the benefits of the internet to everyone. But how does Starlink actually work? The system consists of two main components: the satellites in space and the ground stations on Earth. The satellites are equipped with special equipment that allows them to communicate with each other and with the ground stations. When you connect to Starlink, your signal is sent to a ground station, which then relays it to the nearest satellite. The satellite then sends the signal to another satellite, which relays it to another ground station closer to its location. This process continues until the signal reaches its final destination. One of the biggest challenges associated with providing internet access via satellites is latency, which is the amount of time it takes for a signal to travel from one point to another. High latency can make it difficult to use applications that require real-time communication, such as gaming or video conferencing. However, SpaceX has developed a solution to this problem with Starlink. By using a constellation of satellites that are constantly moving around the globe, Starlink can minimize latency and provide users with fast, responsive connections. Another challenge associated with satellite internet is the cost. Launching satellites into space and maintaining them there can be expensive. However, SpaceX has again found a way to make satellite internet more affordable with Starlink. The company's goal is to make high-speed internet access available to everyone on the planet. To achieve this goal, they need to keep the cost of the system low. One way that SpaceX is able to keep costs down is by using off-the-shelf components whenever possible. This means that instead of developing expensive custom hardware, the company relies on existing technologies that have already been proven to work. For example, Starlink's ground stations are based on existing telecommunications equipment. By using off-the-shelf components, SpaceX is able to reduce the cost of developing and manufacturing the system and can pass the savings on to its customers. Additionally, SpaceX has developed innovative ways to manufacture, launch, and operate its satellites. This has allowed the company to provide high-quality satellite internet access at a fraction of the cost of traditional providers. As for the cost of the service, well, that depends on a number of factors, such as the speed required, the amount of data used, and the location of the user. However, Starlink's prices are generally very competitive with other internet service providers. All in all, SpaceX has done a remarkable job of keeping the cost of Starlink down while still providing high-quality service. This is a major accomplishment, and one that has allowed the company to gain a foothold in the competitive satellite internet market. The story of Starlink is one of ambition, innovation, and determination. From the earliest days of the project, SpaceX's goal has been to provide fast, reliable internet access to everyone on the planet. The company has faced numerous challenges along the way, but they have never wavered in their commitment to this goal. Today, Starlink is a major player in the satellite internet industry and is rapidly expanding its reach. The future is bright for Starlink, and the company is poised to continue its growth trajectory in the years to come. As we wrap up our exploration of Starlink, it's important to remember that this is just the beginning. SpaceX's goal of providing internet access to everyone on the planet is truly an ambitious one, and there's still a long way to go. However, the company's track record of innovation and determination gives us confidence that they will succeed. Starlink is more than just a business for it's a mission to connect the world and bring the benefits of the internet to everyone. And that's a mission we can all get behind. What are your thoughts on Starlink? Do you think it will change the world? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. In conclusion, Starlink is an ambitious and innovative project that has the potential to revolutionize the way we access the internet. By leveraging a constellation of low-orbit satellites, SpaceX is aiming to provide fast, reliable, and low-latency internet access to even the most remote areas of the globe. While there are challenges to overcome in terms of cost, infrastructure, and regulation, SpaceX's track record of innovation and their relentless pursuit of their mission to make life multiplanetary suggests that they are up to the task. As the technology matures and becomes more widely adopted, we can expect to see Starlink transform the way we connect and communicate with each other and usher in a new era of global connectivity. Now, check out this video and learn how SpaceX plans to make life on Mars possible. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything.